Hi, I'm Selena, an experienced educator with 20 years in the classroom and a test prep expert with Study.com. In this video, we'll focus on the FTCE Earth Space Science 6 through 12 008 exam. Specifically, the knowledge of the composition, characteristics, and structure of Earth. You will review key concepts like Earth's layers, plate tectonics, rock and mineral types, and how they all shape the planet we live on. Let's get started and build your confidence for the exam. Which rock type can be identified by its distinct layering and is often found in areas of water such as rivers, lakes, and ocean beds? A. Metamorphic, B. Igneous, C. Marble, or D. Sedimentary? A. Metamorphic. These rocks form under heat and pressure and may show banding, but not the distinct layering caused by sediment buildup in the water. B. Igneous. These rocks are formed from cooled lava or magma. C. Marble. Marble is a type of metamorphic rock and doesn't form in water environments. The correct answer is D. Sedimentary rocks can be identified by their layering, a result of the accumulation of sediments over time. These rocks are often found in areas of water where sediment is deposited, such as rivers, lakes, and ocean beds. A rock that is composed largely of grains cemented together and which often contains fossils would most likely be A. Marble, B. Sandstone, C. Pumice, D. Soapstone. A. Marble is incorrect. Marble is a metamorphic rock formed from limestone under heat and pressure. C. Pumice is incorrect. Pumice is an igneous rock formed from volcanic activity. D. Soapstone is incorrect. Soapstone is a metamorphic rock with a smooth, soapy feel. The correct answer is B. Sandstone is a sedimentary rock composed mainly of sand-sized minerals or rock grains, often including quartz, feldspar, or micas. The presence of fossils is a common feature of sedimentary rocks, like sandstone. Which of the following is a characteristic of igneous rocks? A. Can appear to be folded. B. Formed through heat and pressure. C. Can only be classified as intrusive. Or D. Formed from the cooling of magma or lava. A. Can appear to be folded is incorrect. Folding is a characteristic of metamorphic rocks. B. Formed through heat and pressure is incorrect. That's also true for metamorphic rocks, not igneous. C. Can only be classified as intrusive is false. Igneous rocks can be either intrusive or extrusive. The correct answer is D. Formed from the cooling of magma or lava. Igneous rocks are formed from the cooling and solidification of magma or lava, and they often exhibit a granular texture. They can also be classified as intrusive or extrusive. Which of the following minerals effervescence or bubbles when in contact with hydrochloric acid? A. Silver, B. Pyrite, C. Calcite, or D. Feldspar? A. Silver. Silver is a metal and does not react with hydrochloric acid. B. Pyrite, also known as fool's gold. Pyrite may tarnish or slightly react over time. D. Feldspar is incorrect. Feldspar is a silicate mineral and is chemically resistant to acid. No bubbling. The correct answer is C. Calcite reacts with hydrochloric acid, causing it to bubble. This is a key characteristic used in mineral identification. Thank you for joining me today on the FTCE Earth Space Science 6 through 12 008 exam. For more practice, check out our FTCE Earth Space Science 6 through 12 008 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our FTCE Earth Space Science 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.